Hello, I am now in a live Zoom meeting and I'm going to show you how to allow participants to enter when they are in the waiting room. So you can see that I've opened up my participants window. I simply do this by going to the bottom menu and just by clicking on participants. And I've invited some of them using the URL. So first of all, I want to draw your attention to the three dots here, and here are some important settings. When you click on this, you will see some choices. And what I want to do is first I'm going to mute the participant as they come in. And then you can see here, allow participants to unmute themselves, allow them to rename themselves. And I also find it useful to actually hear a chime when my participants are in the waiting room so that I will know I need to admit them. So I'm going to activate this. And of course, you have to make sure that your waiting room is enabled. So this is up to you whether or not you want to enable your waiting room. And I have enabled it, and I'm going to show you how to then admit a participant. I am now waiting for my participant to enter, and we should be able to hear a little chime when the participant tries to enter and goes into the waiting room. This will alert me that I need to admit somebody. So you can hear that chime, and straight away I can see that there is a participant waiting, so I can either admit or remove this participant. Of course, in this instance, I will admit the participant. And because I had muted the participants initially upon entry, you will see that when they enter the room, they will be automatically muted. So once I click admit, they will join and they are muted. So this is how you can create your waiting room to enable participants to be admitted one by one, just to make sure that the correct people are joining your meeting. And then you can play the chime so that you can hear when you need to admit somebody. And it's always easiest to actually mute them upon entry. Thank you.